Resolution number G108 to adopt a general resolution of the Clark County Republican Central Committee. A general resolution to take an express political position on a matter of public policy regarding the National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2012, the dangers it poses to civil liberties, a call for the Clark County Sheriff to protect citizens of the United States in his jurisdiction, and providing for other matters properly relating thereto. Section 1, whereas the United States Constitution is the foundational instrument of liberty and the supreme law of the United States, and whereas Sheriff Douglas Gillespie, as well as his deputies, have sworn under oath to protect and defend the United States Constitution, and whereas the National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2012, known as the NDAA, sections 1021 and 1022, assert that the executive branch of the U.S. government has the authority to order the U.S. military to detain American citizens without producing a search warrant, and also to place such detainees into military custody at an undisclosed location without due process or benefit of legal counsel, and also to assassinate U.S. citizens. And whereas NDAA sections 1021 and 1022 are on their face blatant attacks on the United States Constitution, specifically Amendments 4, 5, 6, and 8 of our Bill of Rights. And whereas NDAA sections 1021 and 1022 deny the United States citizens other fundamental rights protected under the United States Constitution, such as habeas corpus. And whereas NDAA will allow the President to treat the United States of America as a battlefield and its citizens as though they were foreign enemies, subjecting them to the law of war and martial law. And whereas a primary concern of the Clark County Republican Party is the constitutional rights and freedom of every American city in Clark County, Nevada, therefore be it resolved that the Clark County Republican Party requests Clark County Sheriff Douglas Gillespie to publicly state that Clark County, Nevada is not a battlefield, absent a declaration of war duly approved by Congress. And be it further resolved, the Clark County Republican Party requests Clark County Sheriff Douglas Gillespie to publicly state that he will not enforce the imposition of martial law, absent a declaration of war duly approved by Congress. And be it further resolved, the Clark County Republican Party requests Clark County Sheriff Douglas Gillespie to publicly state that he will not aid or participate in the unconstitutional arrest, detainment, torture, assassination, or extraordinary rendition of any United States citizen in Clark County, Nevada. And that is the text of the resolution, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah!